How to insert SIM card in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Start by finding the SIM slot. Make sure that if you are using US models, then US version of iPhone 17 Pro Max is eSIM only, that is, it does not have a physical SIM card slot. So, in order to activate your SIM digitally, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on Cellular, and then tap on the Add eSIM option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the Scan QR code option if you have the QR code, or you can also enter the details manually and further follow the carrier instructions in order to activate your SIM successfully. And if you have a physical SIM card tray, then simply locate the SIM slot on the left side of your iPhone below the volume buttons. Once you have opened the SIM slot, insert the SIM ejector pin, which is included in the box, into the pin hole. Now press gently until the tray pops out. Further, lay the SIM card into the tray and the gold contacts facing down. Make sure the corner notch matches the tray shape. Finally, gently push the tray back until it clicks and power on your phone if it was off, and with this, the network signal should appear. So this is how you can insert SIM card in iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.